Passenger comfort, economy of operation, technical excellence, reliability, or cost of ownership? Where do your priorities lie? The fact is, if you have to make choices and do without one of these, you don't make money. At Fokker, we know that having to decide will compromise profits. We know you're in business to make money, so we came up with the best solution to meet that objective. The Fokker 100, a short to medium-haul airliner that accommodates each important element of the commercial matrix as an integral baseline feature. Quieter and technically superior, more comfort for passengers, and delivering greater cost efficiency. Concept to reality. When you're looking to the future but have to make your decisions today, the Fokker 100 provides the ultimate answer. The only decision you have to make is how large a fleet you need to maximize the revenue contribution it will make to your market development program. A new design concept built around proven core technologies, the Fokker 100 is the most advanced airliner of its class in the world today. The trendsetter, showing the way for others to follow. Proof positive. Selection by the Swiss national carrier, itself an internationally recognized leader in quality, reliability, service and technical expertise. Swissair sought the highest level of complementary characteristics when deciding on fleet renewal. Selected for the vital feeder role in a large aircraft fleet, the Fokker 100s provide the key to higher yields from low-density routes, as well as to the economic development of new sectors. Configured in an 85-seat 3-class arrangement, the Fokker 100s enable Swissair to achieve break-even with passenger loads 13% lower than was previously possible, giving the carrier better returns on its services to less heavy traffic destinations. A major gain on short-haul flights and precisely the role the Fokker 100 was conceived to fulfill. The Fokker 100 contributes to one other major advance. Swissair will be the first airline in the world operating a complete fleet with Category 3B Autoland capability. An operational advantage that will virtually eliminate weather-related departure delays and the risk of having to divert flights to unscheduled destinations. More benefits in time, cost and service reliability. Economy and reliability. Profit criteria in fleet operation well understood by the Dutch flag carrier KLM or US Air and other major operators of short and medium haul services. Along with Swissair, they have already placed orders and taken options for some 200 of the new Fokker fan jets. Compared with the older technology aircraft it was designed to replace, the Fokker 100 records lower airplane per mile costs with fuel savings of up to 30%. But the Fokker 100 meets more than just one operational parameter. And when you multiply the solutions it offers by the number of aircraft you add to or replace in your fleet, Fokker 100 ownership becomes an easy decision to make. It provides the possibility of increasing frequencies to key destinations outside peak operating hours. How? The Fokker 100 requires minimal ground support and has the potential to operate despite curfews because of its small noise footprint. Two Rolls-Royce Tay turbofans deliver power matched to airframe and performance demands. Mature technology derived from the RB211, a world beater in reliability. The Tay engines not only provide optimum power with low fuel burn, they also set new standards for low noise generation, meeting the stringent FAA Stage 3 noise regulations with a substantial 5 to 5.5 EPN decibels margin to spare. Therefore, if your network includes noise-sensitive communities, the Fokker 100 will make you a valued carrier without having to compromise on payload. Superiority in low noise values also extends to the passenger cabin. Setting a new industry standard, the Fokker 100 has the quietest cabin of any jet in operation today. Outside and in, a quieter environment and a super comfortable flight. The Fokker 100 cabin allows a high degree of layout flexibility for passenger comfort and revenue earning capacity. At 32-inch seat spacing, 107 passengers can be accommodated. Maximized layout can provide for 119 passengers. Typical first class and coach arrangements range from 97 to 103 seats. The 5-abreast seating configuration also means fewer center seat positions, the ones less favored by business travelers. More and better facilities for carry-on baggage, including wardrobe hanging space, and larger overhead bins for added convenience, all contribute to increased passenger comfort. However, comfort is built into more than just the passenger facilities, important as they are. The Fokker 100 comprises a range of outstanding technical characteristics which support and enhance the aircraft's visual appeal. Clamshell speed brakes located in the tail cone ensure vibration-free deceleration, allowing greater flexibility in meeting ATC requirements by enabling the aircraft to fit into the approach sequence more quickly and easily. An efficient wing design allowing an almost level attitude on approach and landings, and high-performance pilot-oriented auto flight systems that result in optimized high-efficiency flight profiles. Surpassing its design objectives, the Fokker 100's drag coefficient is lower than anticipated, resulting in even lower block fuel consumption than originally forecasted. This leads to yet further reductions in fleet operation cost. Also, due to the lower drag, cruise speed can be increased from Mach 0.75 to 0.77. Standard cruise altitude of 35,000 feet can be upgraded to 37,000 feet, enhancing ATC flexibility even more and offering a bonus through additional savings in fuel at a higher altitude. Comfort, economy, reliability and safety. They're all evident in the technical excellence of the Fokker 100. Its advanced engineering and state-of-the-art electronics have been designed for optimal efficiency under all working and event conditions. The latest ergonomic design techniques have been applied to the flight deck. Control layout, dramatically reduced instrumentation, and a high degree of automation combine to level out workload peaks for the two-man flight crew. The advanced flight deck is based on Collins AirInc 700 digital avionics. Its integrated control panel features only 18 instruments, 60% fewer than others using conventional analog-based monitors and displays. A dual flight management system provides automatic navigation in both the vertical and horizontal plane. This system is also capable of calculating optimum values in terms of either speed or economy for various flight profiles. Information is presented to each pilot via 3 duplicated color CRT displays. 2 dedicated to attitude and position, showing flight path and artificial horizon. The remaining one is a multi-function display presenting on-demand data on engine performance, system status and checklists. A flight warning computer automatically alerts the pilot visually and orally to any malfunction or failure of equipment. Such warnings are filtered by a flight phase inhibition system which evaluates the priority of the alert in relation to the flight phase. For example, a low-level malfunction warning would be suppressed during takeoff and communicated to the pilot after that critical phase has been completed. Application of the dark cockpit philosophy adds further sophistication to the Fokker 100 airliner. Pre-takeoff checklist procedures clear the overhead instrument panel of all system annunciator lights, leaving them dark during normal operations. Annunciators illuminate only in the event of a system malfunction, and as the lights shine from the control buttons themselves, identification of the problem is precise and immediate. The dark cockpit not only increases safety through virtually eliminating the risk of incorrect reaction on the part of the flight crew, it also provides for a considerable reduction in pilot fatigue, as system displays do not have to be constantly monitored. The onboard digital flight guidance system enables the aircraft to perform ICAO Category 3B automatic landings, landings in conditions of extremely poor visibility, with runway visual range limited to 150 meters. In this respect, the Fokker 100 is unique, being the only aircraft in its class to have this capability. Good field of vision from the flight deck, illustrated by the crew's ability to sight both wingtips, gives added safety and flexibility in maneuvering on the ground. Size and location of service hatches and servicing points allow for simultaneous access by ground crews. Manpower requirements are minimized and turnaround activities can be performed rapidly, with consequent savings in aircraft handling costs. The standard passenger door, featuring integral stairs, further reduces reliance on ground handling at smaller airports. At the hubs, the aircraft is fully compatible with loading bridges. The Fokker 100's airport compatibility includes ease of ramp maneuvering, including power back operations using reverse thrust. The Fokker 100 means business, technically and commercially. It meets all current demands and offers the most flexible economic solution when fleet quality must be increased and new profits generated at the lowest operating cost. To ensure this, Fokker support services are active from the moment the aircraft has been ordered. Complete technical documentation is supplied to the owner, customized to the as-delivered configuration. Conversion training for flight crew, including access to a flight simulator where practicable, and engineering familiarization for ground support staff is arranged. In addition to the initial spare parts package accompanying delivery, spare components are always available at short notice from Fokker's comprehensive supply center in Amsterdam. This is backed up by a dedicated technical field support team on call to assist with maintenance and engineering throughout the Fokker 100's service life. Fokker 100 ownership is about maximizing commercial advantages and benefits, and it's the starting point of a long and supportive relationship with the manufacturer. Designed around advanced technologies and systems, its efficient airframe, low drag, low empty weight per seat, low specific fuel consumption, quiet noise signature, and low maintenance costs all combine to make the Fokker 100 the winner. Critical decisions demand critical analyses, and you can be absolutely certain that the Fokker 100 will score highest when matched against the most demanding standards. As the specialist in short to medium range transportation with a history of product success, we guarantee the Fokker 100 with our reputation. Our customers support it with theirs.